You're making a big mistake biting Crack tonight. He's gonna break your ass in two. There's still time for you to wise up and walk away. Serious egos on the line tonight, people. It's gonna be our boy Crack up against D-Bob's new kid in the K.
You can't stack up to me. Yeah, you gonna lose your teeth messing with me, you heard?
Hey, y'all ready for action or what? Wasting no time here.
In this.
That's what I call using the elements.
You just got owned, bitch.
Hey, you gotta respect that, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Send me a postcard from Jersey. Time to celebrate.
Where are we going?
Sorry, sugar. Business.
Don't worry, baby. I'll see you later.
You did good. Look, we got a lot of work to do. But first, I want you to have something. This is to show you how much I appreciate what you've done for us. Now, your family.
Wait! Don't do it, man! Say goodbye, bitch. Goodbye, bitch. I'm playing with you now.
Just get out of here.
No way. You coming with us.
Leave me.
Forget it. Crow's gonna die for this.
No, remember what I said. That ain't the way. Now get the hell out of here.
Come on, let's go.
We got work to do.
Yeah, we're gonna hit Crow back tonight.
No way. That's exactly what he expects us to do. He'll be waiting.
What? So we just run away scared?
Do I look scared? No. But I ain't stupid either. We gotta do things the right way. D-Mob's way. We take Crow's turf by beating his fighters.
Yeah, you're crippled and half the crews jumped town. Man, we gonna need some help.
Hey! What's going on?
Don't worry about me. Follow Blaze's lead and get our clubs back.
What you gonna do now, bitch? You keep messing with me, and I'll kill you and your crippled ass friend. Hey, this is Rollins. You better get down to the gym. I got a few new moves to show you.
This an old school thing in the Terradome. We taking you back, way back in time tonight, y'all.
You in some serious trouble now. Straight to the ground. That's where you going.
Are y'all ready for this? Let's get going. Hey, yeah,
you,
put
bitch.
to good use. Are we gonna see something? That's gonna leave a mark, Claire.
Come at me.
Here we go. Alright, that's the way. That was massive. No way that felt good.
Yeah, stop here.
Come on, turn it on. One step ahead. Trigger your special, dog. Come on. Party's getting started now.
Time to take notice. You got no skills.
Very impressive, very impressive.
Man, you can count on me and the rest of the GTP when you go against Crow. We'll pay that bitch back for what he's done.
Steady along the edge of the wall. People, you fall in and you on your own.
Hope you like the taste of my knuckles, chump.
Hey, we ready to get this started.
Yeah, it's on now.
Wasting no time here.
stupid. Yeah, I'll break you in two.
Ouch, more pain.
While you're down there, how about you shine my shoes?
Hey, man, that hurt just watching. Whew.
Yeah.
Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Oh my, let's get to it.
Class is officially in session. Get ready for a lesson in pain, people.
Any last words, punk?
Yo, you gotta be crazy stepping in here with me.
Hey, keep clear of the fight area. We got another one ready to go. Oh, shit! That was nasty. Nice. Using the elements. All right. See? You know what to do. Oh yeah, that was huge. Just getting good now.
Steady, steady.
Ouch, more pain. Oh, this gonna change everything.
Eat this.
Ooh, that's gonna leave a mark, player. What's the plan now? Brilliant. Just brilliant. Okay, the real fight is on. They're calling me.
Oh, you want more?
Whoa, that was hot, man. I know that had to hurt, man.
Yeah, it's on now.
Woo, you see that? Hey, yo, winner takes all on that one, period.
Hey, yo, DeCal. What up, man? You know Buzz had to come see you.
Hey, yo, it's Snowman. Yo, you got... Hey, yo, this is Doc. I tell you what, partner, how about a little wages? 10 large, saying I can take more clubs from Crow than you can. You think you can beat me, bitch? Holla back.
To the brain, I wasn't at again. I burn like acid rain, had acid rain. You're trying to see how I come at your game. Maybe that really man, man. Yeah, rap for president in hell. We got some George, you know the hell of it. And I ain't delicate flows, hot as kettle, getting after you ain't.
Hello, what can I do for you? Are you looking for anything specific, my friend?
Hey, how's it going? Learning a new style will take hard work and dedication. Your fighting style continues to evolve. Don't be greedy, you already know. Need a new move? Nice choice. Nice move. Use it wisely. Now you're ready to kick some ass. Go forth and kick ass.
Listen, let me talk. Can't you see what I got for you now? Shake a big fat.
You in some serious trouble now.
You think you could freestyle with Bless?
Stepping up to fight me, worst choice of your life. Let's do it.
Hey, you think you're gonna come in my house and take my shit? That ain't happening.
Looks like they're here to fight. This will be good.
I'm about to whoop your ass. Let's go, asshole. You just ran out of time, homie.
Now you're ready to start something. That did not look pretty.
How you like it? I got more for you.
Oh, that was hot. Wasting no time here. Yeah, that was huge.
I'm about to whoop
Bust you up.
See? You know what to do.
Talk about the money, baby.
This is gonna change things. Oh yeah, just like that.
This is the breaking part, homie. This is what we do. Check this out.
Thought you were slick, huh? That's it. Now you're calling the shots. I know you're feeling that. Now you get it.
Let's
Yeah.
go, asshole.
All right.
Get low.
That was nasty.
It's like this. Wait, punk.
What a letdown. Oh man, the end is near.
You're done for.
This is it. No way that felt good. What did we just see there?
I got more for you. I'm about to whoop
Adding
your
insult
ass,
to
homie.
insult.
Let's go, asshole.
I'll bring it heavy, boy. Heavy.
That was massive.
Destroyed.
Now you ready to start something. Using the elements.
Here's looking at you.
That was tight. Oh, that was hot. Someone's ass is through.
Taking out, son. While you're down there, how about you shine my shoes?
You
Don't worry.
You think you can? Yo, this just getting crazy. Y'all know I like that. That was massive. Damn, this is running on full now. Yo, man, let's see it. This is gonna change things.
You just got owned, bitch.
What you wanna do? How you wanna do it? From the club to
Hope you like the taste of my knuckles, chump.
Hey, yo, you sure you want some of this? Dead man walking over here.
Yo, look at this thing go, right? Now you ready to start saying. Yo, get this shit in the high gear. That was screaming on. Get off! Was that bone cracking? Oh, someone's getting work.
Time to take notice. You got no skills.
And you don't know.
Any last words, punk?
I'm gonna stomp a hole in you, punk.
Come on, man, get started. Oh, that shit was hot. Now you ready to start saying. This real fight is on. Come on, put it on. Was that bone cracking?
Yeah, I'll break you in two.
introduce y'all to the new millennium bound. Yeah, 2001 hot. Come on, someone's in the place, someone's in the place. Come on, let's get.
Don't worry, I'll make this quick.
Your time's up, little man.
Yo, it's gonna be a good one. Oh yeah, it's like that. Oh yeah, that was huge. That was tight. That's it. Now you call the shot. That was clean.
Where you go? Take him down.
You ready? Go.
While you're down there, how about you shine my shoes?
Hey, good looking last night. D-Mob would be proud, man. Hit me back. Hey, man.